Hi everyone. We'll do a few Kate Wolf covers tonight. When I was young, my mama told me, she said, "Child, take your time. Don't fall in love too quickly before you know you're mine." She held me round her shoulders in a voice so soft and kind. She said, "Love can make you happy, and love can rob you blind." Here in California, fruit hangs heavy on the vine. There's no gold, I thought I'd warn you, and the hills turn brown in the summertime. Now I may learn to love you, but I can't say when. This morning we were strangers, and tonight we're only friends. I'll take my time to know you, I'll take my time to see. There's nothing I won't show you if you take your time with me. Here in California, fruit hangs heavy on the vine. There's no gold, I thought I'd warn you, and the hills turn brown in the summertime. There's an old familiar story, an old familiar rhyme. More time, everyone, to everything there is a season, to every purpose there's a time. Cheers, guys. Oh, I did get some more time.